Over these last few weeks, I have been deep in the woodshed and not just practicing, but rethinking everything about what it really takes to become a next level shred guitarist. And that's exactly what I want to talk to you about today because going forward, my content is going to take you deeper, way deeper into the mindsets, the perspectives, and the technical breakthroughs that actually change the way you think about guitar, especially shred guitar. Because here's the truth, what you're able to do on your instrument is entirely limited by what you believe is possible. So, going forward, I want to go deeper with you, but not just with techniques, but also with the mindsets, the perspectives, and the shifts that actually unlock the next level of shred. And ultimately, this is all just going to help me help metal and rock guitarists solo better, understand the power behind heavy music, and glorify God with their instruments. And part of that starts with something new that I'm finally ready to announce. It's something live, something interactive, and something designed to help you make real, measurable progress fast. And I'll tell you more about that in just a moment. But for now, just know this, I'm back, I'm excited, and I'm ready to help you reach new levels you might not even realize you're capable of yet. So let's get into this. So, the purpose of going deeper is to really help you change the way you think about guitar, specifically shred guitar, and what you believe is possible. Every day, my own beliefs and what I think about is possible are being challenged, and this opens up new opportunities for me. And I want you to see the same thing because what you're able to do is entirely limited by what you believe is possible. And the more your horizons start to expand, naturally, the more mastery you'll then have over your axe, making you an all around better guitarist. So, for example, like I believe that anyone can be a total shredder no matter who you are. But a lot of people will think to themselves, like, oh, I'm too old, I started too late, my hands are too small, or even just I'll stick with rhythm guitar because lead guitar just it's not for me. But sadly, it's not that those things are true, but if it's what you believe, then you end up making that true. And when you realize that you're only limited by your imagination, only then can you actually do better with your skills. So in addition to going deeper with all my content and everything I'm putting out there, I want to go even deeper with you in a more interactive way to help you see a huge payoff in a short time. And so I want to offer something even more valuable to you, especially if you're into the whole shred guitar thing. And that thing is my shred guitar challenge. So I want to invite you to that, and this is a live event that gets you going from playing whatever your current speed is to shredding measurably faster by the end of the challenge. And if you put in the work and do it right, you can be playing 50 beats per minute faster than you are right now by the end of that challenge week. So this isn't just a tutorial, it's live, it's fully interactive, and we're going to go way deep into the mental and the technical shifts you need to make so that shredding feels fast and easy. Seats for this are limited, so grab a ticket now, and I'll drop a link for that in the description for you to check out so you could get all the details about that there and secure your spot. But in addition to that side of things, I want to continue talking about going deeper here with my content. And a lot of that has to do with providing you with alternate perspectives and shifts and different approaches you need to help you be the best player you can be, so that way you can glorify God and bring joy to others around you, and how well you can play your guitar and how well you've mastered your craft. And so I also want to share with you insights about what you can do to get the most out of your practice time so that way you can see tangible results. And I want to help you again in sticking to that idea of reaching your full potential. And really, this idea is twofold. First, we've touched on this, but you just need to overcome mental roadblocks that are keeping you from thinking that you're incapable of doing something that you're actually more than capable of doing. And so, this idea, this limiting belief, consciously or unconsciously, is trapping you in a victim mentality. And wallowing only gets you nowhere. And yeah, that sounds kind of harsh, but this is tough love. But if it's not that, it may be something more simple, like something as simple as just exposing yourself to higher ceilings. Like, what I mean by that is just when I think I've seen it all, every now and again I come across a new player that plays like he's from another planet. And to me, that sets a new bar and a new goalpost for me to shoot for. So even if you fall short, the idea is that you'll still make it farther compared to your original idea of what you think the best is. So as we continue along, here is what I want you to remember. Your guitar playing is only limited by what you believe is possible. The moment you start questioning those limits, the stories you tell yourself about your age, your hands, your skill level, everything begins to open up for you. And my whole goal from here on out is to help you break through those limits, both in how you think and how you play, because they're twofold. They go hand in hand with each other, the thinking and the physical playing piece. And so if you're ready to go deeper, and if you want more clarity, more confidence, and real measurable progress, then I want to personally invite you to join me in the Shred Guitar Challenge. It's a live interactive experience where we take all of this to the next level and actually put it into practice. And if you want to get faster, feel more in control, and finally see what you're truly capable of, then check out the link for that in the description and grab your spot, because I'd love to work with you directly and help you add up to 50 beats per minute to your playing in as little as a week. All right, so thank you for hanging out with me. I'm really excited to be back, and I'm really excited for what's coming next. And I'm pumped to have you along for the ride. So, as always, I'm Zach with Zach Shar Guitar. Stick in with your guitar game, and God bless.